American craftsmanship is more than a movement. It's about every angle, every curve, every detail. In the early 90s, we embraced this belief as we started crafting parts out of a small garage. Our garage is a little bigger now, but our commitment to excellence hasn't changed. Whether we're hand finishing a single part or 3D printing a million parts, we apply the same level of focus and care to every piece that leaves our facility. We're proud to help our customers fulfill their own hopes and dreams. We're proud to be on that journey with them. We are designers. We are makers. We are artists. We are engineers. We are family. We are Forecast 3D.